if you change your lifestyle and you do these interventions, especially if you add in age reversal techniques, like we're using in medical maintenance engineering, that you can really change your biological age, and you can change it for the better, and you can reduce disease outcomes and increase your health span as well as increase your lifespan.
Yeah, definitely. And that's an important point I want to mention as well is that it's not just about how long you're living, right? And I think that sometimes people get turned off when we talk about longevity in that fashion because they think about, living until they're 105, maybe a poor quality of life or someone having to take care of them. And they're not mutually exclusive. As we're improving lifespan, we're also improving health span to keep you, living the life you want to live longer. But yeah, I think that this paper was exciting because we were able to finally really grade a lot of interventions with all of the different tools to figure out, first off, what was the best tool, but also what interventions were working. And one of the other things I like to say here is that one of the original statistics that Morgan Levine shared with PhenoAge is that if everyone in the world were to reverse their epigenetic age by 7 years, we would cut the incidence of disease in half. 50% of people would no longer be getting sick. And so again, treating aging as a primary outcome has massive benefits to everyone. And if we all want to avoid disease, it is something we can pay attention to. And now we have the ability to measure it, but also to affect it. And I think that's the most exciting thing about all of these different trials. And so we did this with Yale also, and we contributed probably about 15 to 20 of those different interventional trials. But now we've even got over 100 that we'll be doing in some additional follow-ups. And we had some things that were really surprising, but we also had a lot of things that made sense.